Just kidding.
So what is a PAA? A PAA stands for Peer Academic Advisor, and we're a well-suited, multifaceted team that comes from a variety of different majors, so then we can all help you make the most of your academic experience here as an honors student. We offer academic counseling, tips on how to study, advice on how to balance work life and school.
We're here to help you navigate the ins and outs of honors life at UCI. We're student leaders ready to help you plan courses, figure out classes, or get involved on campus. Anything that has to do with UCI resources, we're the people for you.
Honors PAs work with the campus-wide Honors Collegium Student Council and Honors Resident Advisors to make your experience a vibrant and unforgettable one with the events that we help plan with them and also the advice that we provide to you.
This year, the Honors Peer Academic Advisors will be known as Team SESAME.
Welcome to our campus-wide Honors Collegium Peer Academic Advising Office. We can't wait for you to meet our lovely peer academic advising team. Let's go.
Hey y'all, I'm Jaime, and although I haven't finished this project yet, I'm ready to meet y'all for the new school year. I'm a psychological science and criminal law double major in her 3rd year, and I'm excited to meet you all. I've been commuting last year, so I kind of know what that's like, instead of doing my CHC mentees. It's very difficult, to be honest, but if you want to know about it, feel free to ask. Seriously, feel free to ask.
Hi, my name is Jenny Ngo, and I'm a 3rd. Hi, I'm Jenny Ngo. I'm an incoming 3rd year human biology major. I'm a 1st-gen student, so I know what it's like as a 1st-gen student, and it can be really difficult, so I'm here to help. Beyond being a PAA, I'm also a medical assistant, and I do clinical research with heart failure patients in Dr. Lombardo's lab. Besides being approachable, knowledgeable, and friendly, I am also the upcoming president for my club, Physician Assistant Coming Together at UC Irvine. So whether it's your classes or pre-health related things, you can always find me and I will help you. Because, well, I'm a PAA.
Hi, I'm Riley, and I'm a 3rd year criminology major, and I'm a PAA here at Campus Wide Honors. When I'm not doing PAA stuff, I'm an active member in the Phi Alpha Delta pre-law fraternity, and when I'm not doing anything school related, I'm probably playing basketball, hiking, or camping. I'm excited to work with y'all, and I'm happy to offer any tips about balancing work and life, or just enhancing your overall honors experience.
Excuse me. Thanks.
Anna Kamarita speaking. I'm a 3rd year human bio major here at UCI, and I'm also one of your PAAs for the upcoming term. And that means I get to help wonderful honors students who need some academic guidance from a person who was once in your shoes. And I actually still, in fact, am in your shoes. So when I'm not in school, I am either like at home crocheting, watching anime, and journaling. Also, probably at Dr. Garrick's lab conducting research on kids with autism. Anyways, I'm really excited to meet all of y'all. And make sure to grab your favorite office mug and settle into your ergonomic chair so we can get ready for this captivating academic year.
Hello, I'm Jasmine, a 3rd year biosci major. I'm the co-vice president of COPE Health Scholars, which stands for Community Outreach, Prevention, and Education. I'm a COPE hospital volunteer and a member of the Anteater Emergency Medical Services Club. Yeah, I like to stay pretty busy, but I'm here to make sure you can keep up with all your business. When I'm not drowning in textbooks, I love going to concerts, painting, and hitting the beach. I really look forward to meeting y'all.
We're so excited to meet y'all. Let's make it your best academic year possible.
Sitting in the honors lounge with a cup of coffee brewing.
Calling my PA just to see what they're doing.
Yo,
Yo, PAA, our campus so lively and bright. So check out how we thrive in the UCI spotlight.
They call it Irvine.
What?